In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Pinterest account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or simply want to manage your online presence more effectively, this step-by-step guide will walk you through every detail of the process. So grab a comfy seat and let's dive right in. To get started, first, open up your web browser of choice and navigate to the Pinterest website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you aren't already. After logging in, you should see your Pinterest feed with all the boards and pins you follow. Now let's move on to the next step. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will see an icon or your profile picture. Click on it. This will take you to your personal Pinterest profile where you can see all the boards you've created and the pins you've saved. It's here that you'll begin the process of deactivating your account. The next thing you need to do is locate the button marked View Profile. Go ahead and give that a click. This button acts as an entrance to your detailed account settings and more personalized options that Pinterest offers its users. Once you've clicked View Profile, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to proceed. This section allows you to modify various details about your account, such as your personal information and profile settings. We're going to use it to find our way to the option related to account deactivation. Within the Edit Profile area, gently scroll down until you come across an option called Account Management. It might be tucked away lower on the page, so take your time scrolling. This section is crucial because it's where you have control over the major aspects of your Pinterest account, including privacy settings and, most importantly, the deactivation option. So here's the decisive part. In Account Management, keep scrolling until you see the words Deactivate Account. This is the option you'll need to click to start the deactivation process. Clicking Deactivate Account will prompt a confirmation dialog or window where you'll need to confirm that you indeed want to deactivate your account. Follow any additional prompts if necessary, just to ensure that Pinterest registers your decision. And just like that, you're all done. Your Pinterest account has been successfully deactivated. Remember, the deactivation isn't permanent. You can always reactivate your account by simply logging in again if you ever wish to return to Pinterest in the future. Now you've successfully learned how to deactivate your Pinterest account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like, comment, or subscribe if you found this guide helpful.